Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to find recognized devices on the Facebook app for PC with the latest update. If you're curious about which devices have access to your account, this is the perfect way to keep your account secure and stay informed. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile photo is located. Click on your profile photo, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and select Settings and Privacy. This will open up a new list of options for you. Next, click on Activity Log. The Activity Log is where Facebook keeps track of a wide range of your interactions and settings, and it's a great place to start for reviewing your security details. Within the Activity Log, you'll want to focus on your account's security elements. Scroll down and click on Security and Login Information. This section gives an overview of your login activities, including where and when your account has been accessed. Now, look for the option labeled Recognized Devices. Clicking on this will show you a list of all the devices that Facebook has saved as familiar when you log in. These are devices you've used to access Facebook and have chosen to recognize. It's a helpful feature because it allows you to quickly spot any unusual or unauthorized devices connected to your account. Here, you can review the device names, locations, and the last time they were active on your account. If you notice any device that doesn't look familiar, it's important to take action to secure your account right away by changing your password and reviewing your security settings. And that's it. Following these simple steps will help you stay on top of your Facebook account security by checking recognized devices using the updated app on your PC. Remember, keeping an eye on recognized devices is a smart way to protect your personal information and ensure your account stays safe. Thanks for watching.